I am actually making this no-face affiliate marketing hack for beginners for a friend of mine because she was like, man, Shelly, I love affiliate marketing. And you know, I would be able to do it if I really just didn't have to put my face out there. And I was like, I got you. I got you. So I found this hack that even a beginner can do. Anybody can do this. So this video is for my friend, but it's for you too. You're gonna love it, I promise. Now, if you're like me, I like to know right up front what I'm getting when I'm watching a video. So you are gonna learn about affiliate marketing. I'm gonna teach you a hack, but this hack also lets you be able to not do it yourself. So you don't have to get out there and provide the content. And I like to also try to guess what you're thinking or what you might be worried about. So if you're thinking, can you be a beginner? Can be a beginner. You're probably wondering if it's gonna be hard. It's going to be simple. Now, will you have to do work? Yes. I always say, it's not like you're gonna be able to push a button and money comes flying out of your butt. You will have to do some work. But is it gonna be hard work? No, not at all. Is it free? Yes. Do you have to have a following? No. Maybe you're thinking that you need some experience. No. Now I'm assuming that you're wanting to make some affiliate commissions without showing your face. Well, let me show you how to do that and without even using your voice. Let's get to the video. Listen, real quick, before we get into it, the number one thing that I recommend that you get into and look at for affiliate marketing is going to be the first link in the bio. All right, first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go over to digistore24.com and go ahead and then get registered, which is really easy. Just enter in all your personal information and then log in. So once you're actually in Digistore24, you're gonna go over to the marketplace, all offers on affiliate marketplace. Okay, the three things that usually does really good is health, wealth, and relationships. And I always use health as an example. So I was gonna go to relationships, and because there's several of them you could choose from. Also, animals do really, really good, especially with what I'm going to show you. Here's health and fitness, dating, love, and relationships. And I found a really good one. You can do photography, social media, software. But literally, this was the very first one that comes to because it's by the most popular by sales rank. And as soon as I saw this one, I was like, oh my gosh, I like this one because you get 85% commission. This is average earnings. And if you scroll down here, I like the cancellation rates, only 13%. The cart conversions, 21%. Earnings, commissions. So this is a pretty good package if you ask me. And keto's pretty dang popular, so why not use this? So let's just say this is the one that we want. Also, it's always good to look through and make sure that what they're talking about and what they're offering is decent. Okay, and if you click on promote now, we're gonna go ahead and copy this. Right click, copy. And if you go over to bit.ly.com and create new, because that's kind of long. So what this is a shortening. If you paste it right here, let's try love to eat keto. Save. Yay. Okay, so this here is going to be our new link. So now we have our product. We have our link. So now we're going to go to youtube.com. No, we're not going to create a YouTube channel. I am going to use this to show you this special hack that is going to help you rank in some affiliate money. Now, okay, let's go to the top and let's do keto tips space, and then you're going to do hashtag shorts, because we want to look for videos that we can utilize that is not ours. Now, if you go to filters, because we want it to go around and to help us get more people to our link. Now, if you go over to filters and then you go over to Creative Commons, Creative Commons means it's where it's free for anybody to use. So we take it and no one's going to care. What you need to do is you look at a few of these. Look at a few more. See what really fits. Okay, this is the very next one. And so this is the one that we want to do. So if you actually go to the top and just copy that link. So we're going to go over to another site that's yt5s.com. And then paste the video, start. Okay, 720 is fine. Get link. Okay, and then download it to your computer. Now the next step is to go to canva.com. It's another site. Now I'll have all of these sites listed in the description for you. And on Canva, this is free. It's a free platform. There is a paid version, but you don't need the paid version for this. Okay, if you don't have an account, it's easy. Just go ahead and create your account and then get logged in. We are going to look for a template. We need a mobile video. So mobile video, someone can't spell. Okay, and they have several that you can use. And you can use these and you can actually even make it smaller, but let's use just a blank just to show you how to do it. Okay, then go over to upload and then upload your file. All right, here it is. And then we're gonna just take and drag it over. Just like that. And then okay, now I actually like, sometimes I'll change this up here, but I like how it's going through and it's telling what everything is. So right down here at the bottom, see there's plenty of room at the bottom right here to go ahead, and this is what we're going to do. So if you go to elements, take a square. Probably from the last thing I did. Pink. Now, depending on what your niche color is, I mean, like mine actually has pink, you could put that in here, or if you go up here, you can make it black, you can make it white, you can do anything you want. So, and then if you take the text, and let's add a heading. And let's say, link in bio to learn more. And that'll make sense in just a second. Okay, I like that. And then you'll go up to share and then download it to your computer, your device, whatever you're on. Now that we have that downloaded, the next step is actually where the magic comes in. So far, if you're liking this, go ahead and like the video. And this part is going to be easy. And I'm going to show you how you can get massive traffic to your video to go to your affiliate link. The first place is going to be actually on Facebook. Facebook has Reels right now that is really, really popular. I have over 70,000 people that is on my Facebook Reels. You can only use it from a phone, but you can put, like we have, put it in bio. And like I have a link right here. I have a link right here. And the cool thing about these is they're showing up directly in your feed. And you can put an actual link in the comments. The next place is actually Instagram. I'm not the hugest fan of Instagram, but one of my most popular that I like to do is Facebook, and I'll show you another one in a minute. But you can also still do Instagram, and a lot of people do really good at it. And you can put your link right here, and then your videos right here. And I said videos, that's right. I'll show you that in a second. You can also go over to Pinterest. Again, I don't use Pinterest very much. I haven't posted on here in a long time. But it's a search engine. So it's crazy not to use it, because when people search for your topic, which mine's make money online, and for example, we're using keto. And keto's big. I would think it would be really, really a lot more popular on Pinterest than Make Money Online would be. And then you simply just, it's the same thing, it's called a pin. You just add it, just add your video. So you do the exact same thing to all of this. Other place I was going to tell you that I love so much is TikTok. I love TikTok. Now you can put your link right here. The only thing is in TikTok, you do have to have up to 1,000 followers. But it's really easy, and you can get up to 1,000 really fast. And then you're able to put your link. And one thing that's cool about TikTok is, if you're wondering, you're like, I like the videos, it's keto, but I also wanted to do the relationship thing one. So here's one of my TikToks. It was at 60,000, but it got shadow banned, which I don't know if you know what that means. It just means that for some reason that they won't tell me, they won't show it to new people. So I created another account. I still post on both. And this one I grew to 33 like in no time. So if you wanted though, you could have several accounts. Like one account could go to, like I said, for love, and the other one could go to make money online. The other one could go, you see my point. And this is some massive free traffic. Then of course, you want to go back over here and you want to do the same thing again. And the more that you do, it gets easier and easier and easier. Take another video, and start adding all of these videos. And then you can put them everywhere. You can put them, like we said, on Instagram. You can put them on TikTok, and then run them through and just change a little thing. Sometimes you can change, like on this one, I liked it, so we just changed the bottom. You can add a heading right here. You can put, hey, this awesome keto diet. And then, at the bottom, you can put, see my logo, or you can put, sometimes I say, see my comments, or see my comments. I suggest you do one a day, but you could do, 3 a week if you want. All right, friends, I hope you liked the video. If you did, do me a favor. You think that I'm going to say like the video or subscribe or something like that, which would be nice. I mean, if you want to see more of my videos and stuff like that, but please do me a favor and share it. Share it with someone who you think that it could help. Because that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to help you and other people make money online, whether they want to get a new car or quit their whole 9 to 5. I appreciate that. And something tells me that if you like this video, that you are going to like the next video. It still has to do with affiliate marketing. Before you go hit that video, because you're going to hit that next, don't forget the first link in the description is what I suggest that you go do first to learn for affiliate marketing. Now you can go to that video. Are you ready? Let's go.